Did you know lions can roar at 114 decibels? That's louder than a jet engine. Tigers are the largest wildcats, weighing up to 660 pounds. Lions live in prides, which can have up to 30 members. Tigers are solitary hunters, relying on stealth and strength. Lionesses do most of the hunting for the pride. Tigers can swim well and enjoy water. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour in short bursts. Tigers have unique stripe patterns like fingerprints. Lion roars can be heard up to 5 miles away. Tigers can leap over 30 feet in a single bound. Lion prides are matriarchal, led by the females. Tigers are endangered, with only about 3,900 left in the wild.